Okay, so for the instructions, identify each pair of angles as corresponding alternate interior, alternate exterior, same side interior, which is also consecutive interior, and unfortunately your book uses consecutive interior, vertical, or adjacent. And then also identify a supplementary, complementary, or linear pair. Okay, so for the first one, these two angles are corresponding angles. They're on the same side, they're both below the parallel lines, and corresponding angles are equal, so x equals y. Number 2, these are also corresponding angles, and corresponding are equal, so x equals y. Number 3, these two are alternate sides of the transversal on the interior of the parallel lines. So alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are equal, so x equals y. Number 4, these two angles come together to form a straight line. It's a linear pair. And x plus y equals 180. For number 5, we have alternate exterior angles. I'm abbreviating. And they are equal, x equals y. Okay, these are same side interior, x plus y equals 180. Consecutive interior angles. Jalen, are you okay? If you want. Okay, number 7, we have vertical angles. Eight. These two angles right here, they form a linear pair. And so x plus y equals 180 degrees. And then number 9, these form a linear pair as well. They form a straight line. So linear pair, x plus y equals 180. And then number 10, alternate exterior angles, and they are equal. So x equals y. If you're having trouble determining whether they're equal or supplementary, a little trick that can work sometimes is like all the angles are either equal or supplementary. You can see that those are both obtuse, and then like there's other angles here that are more acute. If they're both obtuse, then they're going to be equal, and then the acute angles will be supplementary to it. So just kind of keep that in mind. I don't know why I wrote it on there. Anyways. Okay, so number 11 over here, it shows a little x right here, which didn't print very well. X and y are same side interior, so consecutive interior angles. X plus y equals 180. And then x and y vertical angles. X equals y. And then 13, there's a little y right here, x, they're vertical angles. vertical angles, they're equal, x equals y. Number 14, these two form a linear pair. So x plus y equals 180 degrees. Number 15, vertical angles, x equals y. Then here we have corresponding angles come up a lot, and they are equal. And then 17, alternate interior angles, abbreviating. '18, alternate exterior angles, x equals y. And then these two same side interior, consecutive interior angles, x plus y equals 180. Number 20, these are corresponding angles, and they are equal. And last but not least, 21, they did something a little bit different. They show that these two lines are parallel. They show this little box right here showing a 90-degree angle. This would be 90 degrees. This would be 90 degrees. So therefore, x plus y equals 90 degrees. They are complementary. And that's all. Okay, so your to-do list from now until the end of class, and you have quite a bit of time, is to work on Alex. There's specifically 3 assignments this week that directly practice this. So I would do those 3 assignments first. The titles of the 3 assignments are on the board here. Identify corresponding and alternate angles, finding angle measures given 2 parallel lines, and then establishing facts about parallel lines that are cut by transversal. So do those first while it's fresh in your head. Also, leave out your papers, so I'm going to come around and give you credit for them too. And yeah, if you have questions, let me know.